What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to oil paint. Now, it's a gloomy gray day outside and I'd rather be taking a nap, but I'm right here in my studio ready to paint this portrait. This lady is the girlfriend of a co-worker of mine, and he wanted to have her portrait done as a surprise for her birthday. So I guess it's time to do what I do best, put the color on the canvas and get down to it.
You had me at hello.
Okay, everybody, now that I got all the major block end done, I got my colors and shapes and everything in place and feeling semi-right to me. You know, it could be a little bit better, but I'll fix things here and there. Now, I'm going to come back in tomorrow because I'm going to let it dry, of course, for at least a day. And then I'm going to come in tomorrow and put on the final details, the highlights, and all that good stuff so I can really bring it to life. right, everybody. I think I'm going to call this painting done. And if I don't put it up soon, I'm just going to keep picking at it and trying to fix mistakes that don't need fixing. I want to thank everybody for checking out my video today. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below so you can help my channel grow. And I'll see you all in the next video. Y'all have a good one.